Hi guys, today I'm going to show you my nighttime routine with Mario Badescu. I start by taking a shower with the AHA botanical soap, and this leaves my skin extremely fresh and clean. Then I use the enzyme cleansing gel. This is a non-foaming cleanser and is perfect for me in this cold weather and removes all the makeup dirt and excess oil buildup throughout the day. Then I use the cult favorite drying lotion. Make sure to not shake the bottle and mix the two sections, but take a Q-tip and take out the product like this and apply it on your active acne, and this will help dry it out while you sleep. Next, I use the buffering lotion and make sure to shake this bottle before you apply it on any bumps that you have on your skin or any under the surface bumps that you think that might turn into pimples, and let it stay overnight. Then I use their newly launched caffeine eye cream that has such a nice and cooling effect under the eyes and instantly depuffs them. And lastly, I use their lip balm that melts right into my lips and makes them feel so soft and nourished. This was my nighttime routine. Let me know if you've used any of these products in the comments